an end student, and yeah. So we started permanent. We started stitches the other day, and we said that stitches is a method of sewing or joining two fabrics together, okay, or joining two pieces of fabric together. Alright, and we also said that we have two types of stitches. We have the permanent stitch and the temporary stitches. And we started by talking about temporary stitches. Okay, we started by talking about temporary stitches. And then we said that when we talk of temporary stitches, okay, is a method of joining two fabrics together, okay, until permanent stitches are made. So let's just say that I want to sew a dress, okay, and then after I've cut all the pieces and I've done my cutting and all that, okay, I'm not about to join them permanently. I'm not about to sew the main thing, but then I want to join two pieces or something together. Then when I'm ready, I do the permanent stitching. Then what I'll do is that I'll apply temporary stitches, okay, I'll apply temporary stitches. So temporary stitches simply means that putting two or more fabrics together, or sewing two fabrics together for a short period of time, or sewing two pieces of fabric together until permanent stitches are made. Okay, and when you go to every fashion shop, every sewing shop, seamstress, tailors, whatever you find yourself, okay, wherever that they sew, they all apply temporary stitching before they do the main stitch or the permanent stitches. Okay, so we also said that examples of temporary stitches are tacking, basting, and tailor's tacks. Okay, all these are used to hold pieces of fabrics for a short period of time until permanent stitches are made. But today we want to look at tacking. Okay, we want to look at tacking. What tacking is, or tacking stitch. Tacking stitch. Tacking stitch. Since they are examples of temporary stitches, then they are all what stitches. So tacking stitch, basting stitch, tailor's tacks, and all that. They are all examples of temporary stitches. Alright, so when you talk of tacking stitch, what are they? It is a method, okay, it's an example of temporary stitches, okay, that is used to hold two pieces of fabric for a short period of time, okay, then we can remove it later on, then we sew the main dress or whatever. So when we want to hold two pieces of fabric for a short period of time, which is a temporary stitch, then we can what? Go in for either tacking stitch, basting, or tailor's tacks. They are similar, they are almost the same. They just differ a bit, but they are almost the same. But today we want to focus on tacking stitch, like I said. These are all examples of temporary stitches. Okay, so but we want to look at tacking stitch. Okay, so let's just say that I have this piece of fabric. I have this, and I have this. I have my thread, I have my needle here. Okay, this is my needle. Okay, and this needle is already threaded. Remember we spoke of threading the needle, and how we thread the needle and all that. We already did that in our previous lessons. Okay, so this needle here is already threaded, and you can see the needle and the thread. Okay, you can see from this angle that is already threaded. Alright, for this lesson we are not going to look at uniform stitching. We're not going to look at using same thread for same color of fabric. We're not looking at using same color of thread for same color of fabric. We are just looking at tacking. Okay, in our next lessons, probably we'll look at rules in stitching, where we'll look at the color of the fabric and we consider it for the color of the thread as well. Okay, but today we won't consider any color or whatever. We just want to know what tacking is. So there is just a piece of fabric. It is not that big. It's a small piece of fabric. It is a lining. Okay, so we just want to use it. I can use this one, but I just want you to see or have a clear picture of what a tacking stitch is. That is why I'm using the white one. Okay, so let's see how we will stitch this fabric here temporarily using the tacking stitch. Okay, so this is my threaded needle. I have my threaded needle here. This is my threaded needle. I have it here. And tacking stitch is normally, it is the most common one that we all do at our homes. Probably we don't know that the name is called tacking stitch, but we all do it at our homes. Okay, we all do it at our homes. So I have this, and this is my threaded needle. Okay, so all right, thank you, say me allotate. All right, so this is my back, this is the back, this is the front. So I put it in here like this. Okay, just let it come a bit closer. I put it in here like this. Okay, and one thing is that tacking is almost the same as running stitches, but running stitches is a permanent stitch on its own. Okay, and running stitch is a bit shorter in length, but for tacking, the lengths are a bit long. So I pull it this way. Okay, then you see the interval. You see it's a bit longer than the running stitch. Then I go this way. Okay, then I come out here. Then I go. Great. Continuous like that. It's continuous like that. It's continuous like that. Depending on the length of the stitch that you want to sew or stitch temporarily. Okay, this is just a common way of doing it. This is just a hand stitch. Okay, this is just the hand stitch of stitching fabrics temporarily. Okay, so this is basically what tacking is. This is basically what tacking is. It's not anything difficult. It's just the normal one that we do at home. And like I said, it's almost the same as running stitches, but running stitches is a permanent stitches. And that one, the intervals are not that big. It is very close with each other. Okay, so that will be all we'll be doing for today. Just tacking stitch. Then probably you do an assignment for me. You stitch it the same way. Okay, you stitch a piece of fabric temporarily using the tacking stitching method. Then you submit it to me. Okay, you submit it to me. The next time when we meet again, we'll look at what basting and what the next tag. And so we'll meet again. Have a nice day and God bless you.